video to fix HDAudBus.sys BSOD error on Windows 11. And if your PC keeps crashing with a blue screen, let me ask you, are you seeing the HDAudBus.sys error while using audio devices or after booting Windows? This problem usually happens because audio drivers are outdated, corrupted, or incompatible. Sometimes Windows updates or system conflicts also trigger this BSOD. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky driver reinstalls, complicated registry tweaks, or confusing steps that feel impossible to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not solve the problem. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact audio driver and system path that causes HDAudBus.sys to crash. This works because it restores stable communication between Windows and your audio hardware. The method is safe, fast, and works on all setups once. You apply it, BSOD stops completely. Audio works normally and your system runs stable. I tested this fix on multiple Windows 11 PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this HDAudBus.sys BSOD is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.